guys, this is Kirby SDW Diesel Busters FTL 2016 here. And today, I'm about to host the first Q&A, which is supposed to be about my first personal life. So anyways, here we go. Okay, so Deadpool FTW Elfin Hung FTL VGCP asked, Number 1, do you play Minecraft? 2, what's your opinion on exploding? And 3, what's your favorite movie? Well, I would like to play Minecraft, but I can't because I don't have money to buy a game like that. So I would if I had it, but I would, but I don't. I'm sorry. And 2, what do you mean? And 3, my favorite movie would have to be Jurassic World or the Peanuts movie, but I'd go with Jurassic World for now. Okay, so Mac Yourself an LPS Lover 2016 asked, okay, so 1, when did you first find me? 2, when did you start hating Diesel Busters? And 3, what is your favorite restaurant? Well, I first found you when I first started making Go Animate videos, which was March 18th. Okay, for 2, I started hating Diesel Busters when I first started watching Grounded videos made out of him. They were so funny, and when I watched the Salted videos, I grew really angry at him, so that's why I hate him. Okay, for 3, do you mean fast food restaurant, or a diner or something, because I don't understand. But I'd go with Golden Corral. Okay, guys, that's it for today's Q&A. Okay, the next question can be about my YouTube career. Okay, guys, the YouTube career question can be asked on this video only. Questions on another video will be ignored. Okay, guys, more questions can be asked in the comments below. And these questions had to be about my YouTube career. Okay, this is Kirby FTW Diesel Busters FTL signing off until next time. Okay, well, thank you to Microsoft and LPS Lover 2016 and Deadpool FTW Elfin Hung FTL VGCP. Thank you guys so much for asking questions. I'm never gonna have this Q&A without you two. Okay, so goodbye.